Hey everyone, welcome back. You can deposit checks without visiting a branch using the RBC mobile app. Here's how. First, log into the RBC mobile app and then tap on the deposit check. Enter the check amount carefully and select the account where you want the money deposited. Then, take clear photos of the front and the back of the check in good lighting. Make sure to place the check on a dark surface with good lighting and do not take blurry photos or else the bank will reject your check. Try cleaning your camera lenses with a piece of cloth or a soft tissue so you won't scratch your camera lens and make the matters worse. After that, confirm the details and submit the post. Keep physical check for at least 5 days until the deposit is fully processed. Mobile check deposit is fast, secure, and works anytime from your phone, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.